the more advanced we get in the technology of communication, the worse we get at social interaction with people in
I
real
was just
life.
going to say that. There's two words. We're disconnected, number one, and that ties to the word unity. When you were talking about that employee that just, you know, or everybody's doing their own thing on their own timing with their own work ethics, whatever, and there's this lack of unity. Like, um, when we would have our core group, we know we were unified, right? There wasn't like a battle. There's no politics, there's no game playing. It's just all for one for all type of thing. And I don't see that in a healthy way anywhere, especially when I was building teams as of most recently. It was very difficult, to find quality people willing to actually work.
Yeah, and
And
they don't even apply good proper communication etiquette to text messages,
right,
because that same group tend to not respond timely to even text messages.
right. Oh, I know. It's like I've texted people, emailed people, called people, and still, oh, I'm sorry, I got busy, or it's not even an excuse. They just straight up, I'll get back to you when I'm good and ready to.